everyone, how are you today? I hope you're all having a great day. In this video, I will introduce myself. My full name is Alvira Syarani, but most people call me Firas. I live in Pendawaharjo village and I'm a student at Senior High School number 1 Makarti Jaya. I was born in Blitar, Oku Timur on September 21, 2008, which makes me 16 years old now. And my dream is to become a teacher. My hobby include listening to music, watching cartoon, and jogging. I have siblings. I'm also a big fan of read. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.